Hello friends, I am Dr. Sandeep Bhasin. Today we'll be doing a guided meditation where we'll be using mindfulness to relax us. This is a small session, short session. You can use this to unwind and relax. This is a short guided meditation to help you to unwind and relax. Let's start. Sit comfortably without any distractions, keeping your back straight, feet in touch or in connection with the ground. Sitting very softly and gently. Loosening your body. Loosening your forehead, loosening your jaws and top of the head. Making your intention clear. This is the time I'm going to relax deeply. I give myself full permission to relax now. Now, just telling your mind and body that these are very precious moments. We are going to relax. Everything else in life can wait. So let all problems, struggles, and difficulties sit outside your room. They can come to you after this when you have relaxed deeply. So allowing all distractions to settle down. Start observing your breath, moving in, moving out. Just noticing your breath. Noticing how the breath goes in, how it moves out. Let the rhythm be natural, uninterrupted, like the stream of river, flowing, moving. Be aware the breath coming in and then going out. Noticing how the breath goes in and how the breath goes out. Very natural, the mind runs, the thought comes. Be patient. Just tell them it's okay. You can wait. I'll listen to you later. Let me just focus on this breath now. Very softly, very patiently, again coming back to your breath, breathing in, breathing out. You're gently becoming aware of your breath. Let the body loosen, let the body relax deeper and deeper. Keeping your jaws loose, keeping your facial muscles loose. Slowly becoming aware of your feet touching the ground. See how your feet are touching the ground. Feeling your feet deeply. Sensing your calf muscles. Whatever is happening in the calves, just feel it. Now slowly allowing your awareness to come into your thighs. Noticing how your buttocks are touching the ground. Becoming aware of the sensations in your thighs, calves and feet. And now, bring your awareness along your spinal cord, feeling your spine from the below up. From your sacrum to lumbar, thoracic, and to the neck, your entire spine, lower back, middle back, upper back, feeling it right up to your neck and head. Just feeling your back, feeling your entire spine, feeling your entire spine. Now becoming aware of your hands, forearms, upper arms. Now becoming aware of your hands, forearms and upper arms. Feeling your fingers, your palms. Just noticing whatever is happening. Are there any thoughts, emotions? Gently becoming aware of them without fighting. Noticing your face muscles, forehead, top of the head, and now becoming aware of your whole body. Just orient to the sounds surrounding you. Become aware of the room or the ambience in which you are sitting. Now, keeping all this in mind, noticing how you are feeling different from what you started with. Slowly coming back, opening your eyes, moving your hands and fingers, feeling refreshed, energized, and deeply relaxed. Om Tat Sat. Om Tat Sat. Om Tat Sat.